is Chicken Biscuit, my mushroom helper, and today I want to talk to you about a super cool mushroom. This is called the skull-shaped puffball. Now, the scientific name for this mushroom is Calvatina craniformis, and the Latin root of craniformis is cranium, which means brain or skull, and that is just because this mushroom looks like a skull. So I have my brother's knife here that he made, and I'm just going to slit this open. And we're going to see what this flesh looks like. In order to eat this mushroom, it is an edible mushroom, you want the gilba or the flesh to be very white and very firm, which so far it is. All right, let's see it. Oh, that is what you're looking for, a super firm, very white mushroom. So this mushroom should have a mild odor. It's not too smelly. It's kind of sweet almost, and like I said, this mushroom is edible. Now there is a similar species called Calvatia cyaniformum. Now this mushroom, the cyaniformum, is actually purple on the inside. It's also called the purple spored puffball.
The skullcap puffball can also be identified by its brain-like folds found on the cap. These folds crack and flake with age. Remember, this mushroom is still edible when the gilba is white and firm. This mushroom is used traditionally by the Chinese in their folk medicine as a wound dressing.
Again, if you want to eat this mushroom, make sure that the flesh is white. If it starts to sporate and turns green, it is past its prime.
Now we're going to step into the kitchen and I'm going to show you guys how to cook this delicious puffball mushroom.